Stop. Before you even think about putting a Mac Studio and a Studio display in your shopping cart, or before you settle for that 24-inch iMac, because it's the only all-in-one left, you need to listen to this very carefully. For 4 years, Apple has left a massive, gaping hole in its lineup. They killed the 27-inch iMac. They discontinued the legendary space gray iMac Pro, and they told us the future was modular. They told us we had to buy a box and a screen separately if we wanted real power. But in the secret corridors of Cupertino, the modular experiment is meeting its match. We are talking about the return of the king, the 2026 Apple iMac Pro. If you are a creative professional, a high-end developer, or a power user in the United States who misses the elegance of a single-cable, ultra-powerful workstation, your patience is about to be rewarded in a way that will make the last 4 years feel like a bad dream. The leaks coming out of the supply chain this month aren't just whispers. They are confirmed hardware identifiers found deep within Apple's own internal software. The project codenamed J833C is real, and it is coming to reclaim your desk. We are talking about a massive 32-inch 6K canvas, the absolute raw fury of the unreleased M5 Max silicon, and a thermal redesign that finally treats an all-in-one like a true professional workstation. This isn't just an iMac with a Pro sticker slapped on the box. This is a ground-up reimagining of what a flagship desktop should be. By the end of this, you will know exactly why Apple is about to cannibalize its own Mac Studio sales, and why the M5 Max inside this machine is being tuned to outperform almost everything else in the lineup. Let's start with the window to your work, the display. For years, the 27-inch 5K display was the gold standard. But in 2026, 5K isn't enough for the high-end Pro. The new iMac Pro is stepping up to a 32-inch 6K panel. But it's not just about the size. The biggest leak confirms that Apple is bringing tandem mini-LED technology to the desktop. If you've seen the latest iPad Pros, you know what this means. We are looking at a sustained 2000 nits of HDR brightness. That is 4 times brighter than the current Studio display. We are talking about blacks so deep they look like the screen is turned off, and highlights so bright they'll make you reach for your sunglasses. And yes, the prayer has finally been answered. Promotion is coming to the iMac. 120Hz refresh rates on a 32-inch 6K screen. Once you see your timeline, your code, or even your cursor move at 120 frames per second on a screen this large, you can never, ever go back. But why the 32-inch jump? Because Apple realizes that the Pro market has moved on. We need space for 8K video timelines. We need space for multiple windows and side-by-side references. By matching the size of the ProDisplay XDR, Apple is turning the iMac Pro into a reference-grade monitor that just happens to have a supercomputer built into the back of it. Speaking of that supercomputer, let's talk about the M5 Max. While the world is just getting used to the M4, the M5 Max inside the 2026 iMac Pro is a different beast entirely. Built on the refined 2-nanometer process, this chip features a redesigned neural accelerator in every single core. In the US market, AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's a workflow necessity.